Good morning, children. Children, as we are revising the chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces, children. As a part of revision, we have completed most of the part of this chapter, children. That is, we completed what is refraction, what is the rarer medium, what is denser medium, refractive index, relative refractive index, laws of refraction, okay, the rules for drawing the ray diagrams, okay, children, the rules for drawing the ray diagrams we completed, okay, and here in the same way the positions of the object and the image, that is the ray diagrams of the convex as well as the concave lenses, children. And in the same way we completed the rules for drawing the that means the rules of the sign conventions, that is all the distances should be measured from the optic center. The distances measured in the direction of the incident light should be taken as positive, and the distances measured in the opposite to the direction of the incident light should be taken as negative, okay, children. And above the principal axis should be taken as positive, and below the principal axis should be taken as a negative, children, okay. Above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. And here in all the cases we get a real inverted only in the case where when the object is placed between optic center and the focal point, okay, the image will be getting as a we'll be getting the virtual image and erected image, whereas the image will be found inside the lens, whereas in the remaining all cases the image will be formed okay, the image will be formed what beyond the image will be formed real and inverted. On all the cases we get the real inverted, but only in the special case when the object is placed between, okay, only in the special case when the object is in between optic center and the focal point, they will be getting the virtual and erected image, children. And whereas the image will be formed inside the lens, okay, children. And in the same way now as a part we learned the lens the curved surface formula, that is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r, okay, curved surface formula. Okay, curved surface formula is that n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r, okay, children. And in the same way we completed, okay, n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. And in the same way we completed the n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to 0, okay, that is the same formula which is used for the plane surfaces, children. And in the same way we learned the lens formula. We are having of three formulae, children, that is curved surface formula, lens formula, and lens maker's formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And here the terms here are n2 is the refractive index of the second medium, n1 is the refractive index of the first medium, f is the focal length, v is the image distance, and u is the object distance, children, okay. As we learned all the here, children, we learned these points, children, okay, that is the lens maker's formula and lens formula, children, okay. And next here we are having the lens maker's formula, okay. Another one we are having the lens maker's formula, children, lens maker's formula, curved surface formula. You should know all the terms, children. You should learn the all the formulae also, okay. Lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula, okay. Lens maker's formula states that 1 by f is equals to 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r. Okay, 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, whereas n is the refractive index. Okay, or we can write this as NBA also, NBA. Actually from this NBA we will generalize it as n minus 1 into 1 by r1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, whereas here n is the refractive index. Okay, r1 is the radius of curvature of the first medium, okay, of first surface, and the r2 is the radius of curvature of the second surface, whereas f is the focal length. F is the focal length. 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 is the lens makers formula. Okay, and here we are having the magnification, children. Magnification. We are having the magnification formula of the lenses, magnification formula of the mirrors. Okay, magnification formula. Here magnification formula is m is equals to hi by ho is equals to v by u. Okay, m is equal to hi by ho is equals to v by u, whereas hi is the height of the image, ho is the height of the object, whereas v is the image distance, u is the object distance. M is equal to hi by ho, that is equals to v by u. Magnification formula is hi by ho is equal to v by u. And here we can write this magnification formula as when m is equal to 1, size of image is equals to size of object. And here when m is less than 1, size of image is less than size of object. When m is greater than 1, the size of image is greater than the size of the object. Therefore here by indicating the magnification value, that is equal to 1, less than 1 or greater than 1, we can say that whether the size of the image is smaller than or the greater than that of the object. Okay, we will be explaining that. We will say that the size of the image is whether it is equal to or whether it is less than or whether it is greater than, children. Therefore these are the formulae that we have learned, children. Okay, that is here we learned. Okay, we learned the lens curved surface formula. Okay, plane surface formula, lens formula, lens makers formula, magnification formula of the lenses, children. And in the same way we learned the sign conventions of the concave and as well as the convex lenses, children. Sign conventions of the concave as well as the convex lenses. Okay, the sign conventions of the concave lens. Okay, the sign conventions of the convex and the concave lens, children. Okay, concave lens. In the concave lens, U, V, F are negative, children. U, V, or F are negative. In convex lens, only U is negative. Okay, only U is negative. In the concave lens, U, V, F are negative, whereas in the convex lens, only U is negative, children. Okay, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.